Welcome to Certificate Program in Mobile Application Development. As you know, the app development industry had grown multifold and is creating huge career opportunities for many people. There are young people who are developing mobile apps and selling them for millions and billions of dollars to other companies. Who can join this program? You should be a 10+2 pass, or if you are a 10th standard holder, then you should have 2 or 3 years diploma or equivalent to join this particular program. It is a program of 6 months duration, that is of 1 semester, and you get a maximum of 2 years to complete it. The target group is that any person who is interested in developing mobile apps, entrepreneurs, students who want to develop innovative apps, engineers who want to develop apps pertaining to their discipline, and then BC and MCA students who want to increase their chances of getting good placement. So there are 5 courses in it, 4 theory courses and 1 intensively practical course. The first course is Introduction to Mobile Architecture, second course is Introduction to Databases, third one is Introduction to Android, fourth one is Programming using Python, and then the fifth course will include the lab components, and in this you have practicals of Introduction to Databases, Introduction to Android, and Programming using Python. In this particular course, there are a total of 50 practical counseling sessions, and each practical counseling session is of 3 hours duration. So in total, you get 150 hours of machine time. No printed course materials will be provided. Academic counseling may be done online or offline based on the situation. As on date, we are doing the academic counseling online, both practical and theory. So you need to have a laptop, mobile device with a good bandwidth connection, and you should be in a position to connect with us as per the schedule for attending the theory counseling sessions as well as practical counseling sessions. You please check the website for the latest fees. In case there is any change, it is reflected on the website and you need to pay as per given on the website. The evaluation methodology is that every course is having 2 components, the term end examination and assignment. You need to submit assignment, it is mandatory. You need to appear for term end examination and it's mandatory. In total, you need to have 40% marks. If you want to contact the program coordinator by email, you can do it by going to cmad@igno.ac.in. You can drop an email to this address and you will receive the response at the earliest possible. For admission, you can go to the ignoadmission.samarth.edu.in. You can also go to the IGNO website. You have the links from there also to the admission portal. You can click on the link, submit the documents online, pay the fees online, and wait for the confirmation from IGNO that your admission is confirmed with an enrollment number. So I wish you all the best for this particular program, hoping you to see after you join the program. Thank you very much.